Good evening, everyone. I'm going to do a quick update on the markets, and um, right now I'm looking at the SPYs, which is the ETF that follows uh, the S&P 500 futures, 500, the biggest companies of the U.S. Traded in the U.S. This is a weekly chart. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in. This green candle right here was last week's candle, which created a what's called a outside bullish candle. What does that mean? It means that it took out the lows and the highs from the prior week. We had nice volume, like you can see. Also, the indicators are converging up. Also, the this indicator over here, the stochastic, and this forward CCI is also pushing towards the upper boundaries of the of that indicator or the oscillator. Also, I want to show you real quick when you do this uptrend line right here, and then you go ahead and do when I do a channel, it coincides perfectly on what's um, the upper range of this channel has been touched so many times. Let me go ahead and zoom in this area. We have touched that upper range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 times or so, um, which gives this channel a little bit more of um, substance. Uh, so, also, lastly, I wanted to show you what we created this the bottom a few weeks ago, 6 weeks ago, I believe. We had this hammer with huge volume, and we were never able to take out the lows of that hammer, of this tail right here. That is really that's definitely a tell sign of what's going on. Um, Also, let me go ahead and move on to the S&P futures. This is what's going on overnight. Okay, this is a 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, we can see this two lines I have drawn that are converging to one point, or it's creating this triangle, right? Um, this highlighted area was at one point resistance, meaning that every time we got to that area, it resisted the price from going any higher. Um, you can see this many times was tested this area, and now that we broke out of this downtrend line, now we're coming back to back test not only the downtrend line but this highlighted once before was that was once before resistance. Now it's gonna be support. It's gonna support the price levels. So even though overnight trading were 1.5% negative, don't worry, because next week um, it's going to be going to higher prices for sure. Maybe this is an opportunity um, for many people, but so far, uh, like you can see very clearly, this is what a definition of the resistance and support. What once was resistance now is support, and you will see this in the overnight trading, and you will see, I will show you probably again tomorrow, um, to see what happens when when prices bounces off the support area. Lastly, I want to show you the chart of the dollar, and this is a weekly chart. And even though all we've done is come back and back tested this dotted line, and again we came back. Now we have to keep an eye on this, and I will do more better update about this later. But for now, this is it. Thank you for listening. This is directionalanalysis.com.